This is going back to 2019 when I put in an RV driveway for a friend. I decided to make this short video for another friend doing a similar project to show them the steps. Interesting side note, I'd eventually purchase this tractor from them, but using their tractor and this box blade, I removed all the topsoil. With the topsoil gone, I spread down a heavy driveway fabric. This is not your landscape fabric you find at a hardware store, but is meant specifically for under a road. Once that was installed, then we spread down the item 4 or road base, depending on what location in the country you're in. With that done, I then leveled the gravel out or road base using this little makeshift grader. And here's the final product. It came out perfect. And if anybody notices, this is also the same location where years later I would be building out my Overland truck.